Welcome to Oven Foods. Today I'm sharing a soft and moist homemade carrot cake made without an oven. Simple ingredients, gentle sweetness, and perfect for everyday baking. Let's start the recipe. Grate one fresh carrot and keep it aside. Grate carrots finely for a softer texture. In a bowl, add half cup curd, half cup powdered sugar. Mix well until smooth. Add 1/4 cup oil, 1 tablespoon chopped almond, and half teaspoon cardamom powder. Mix well. Now add 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Pour in 1/4 cup milk and mix gently. Do not overmix after adding flour. Add the grated carrot and combine everything well. Grease a 6-inch mold with oil and place baking paper. Pour the batter. Sprinkle pumpkin seeds on top. Place a pan with a wire stand and preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Cook the cake for 30 to 35 minutes on medium-low heat. Always preheat the pan for even cooking. Cook on medium-low heat to avoid burning. Carrot cakes are rich in beta-carotene and fiber. Homemade cake avoids preservatives. Nuts and healthy fats add minerals. Controlled sweetness make it lighter than bakery cakes. Cool completely before slicing. Carrot cake was originally made to reduce sugar uses. Grated carrots keep cakes moist naturally. Cardamom adds a warm bakery aroma. Carrot cake tastes even better after resting. Your homemade carrot cake is soft, moist, and beautifully baked without an oven. Enjoy it with tea or as a light dessert. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Oven Foods for more easy no-oven recipes.